Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Knowles.
Apa na? Semua nggak ya? Oh, red zone, black and red. I'm Oh, they're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. Oh my gosh. How adorable is this, guys? So adorable, guys. I'm falling in love with plants, you know? Just falling in love with them. Oh my gosh. What is this? What is this? I don't know if I should say surprise or welcome back. I don't know. Whichever one. But welcome back, guys, to my cooking video. So I figured let me just share some of my cooking videos because it's been a while since I've done that. So yeah. So here what I'm gonna be making is pizza. Yes, I'm making pizza, guys. So let me just walk you guys through my ingredients so that you know exactly what I used for this pizza. All right. Hold on. All right, guys. So what do we have here? Obviously, we have our dough, which I made it myself. It's just flour and some yeast and pinch of salt. I think like a teaspoon of sugar and warm water. So yeah, and then we have semi-cooked or pre-cooked chicken, which I diced it myself. And then we have some bacon here, which I also diced it myself. And then with the sauces, I'm gonna be using some barbecue sauce for the base. And also, honestly, here you can just your imagination, guys. Use your imagination. So this creamy dressing, you can apparently use it for sandwiches as well. So I figured that since we have it, I might as well use it for my pizza. Yeah, so I'm gonna be improvising there. And then here what we have is, let me tell you something, guys. You know, with the cheese, as you can see here, I have two different types of cheese. I have the cheddar cheese, and the mozzarella cheese. Now, what's the difference? The mozzarella cheese, you can use it, especially when you're making pizza. You know, when your pizza slice, when you pull it away from the rest and it makes that long stretch. That's your mozzarella cheese. And this cheese, you can taste it, but it's very light as compared to this one. Where with the taster now, if you want your pizza to be cheesy and tasty and like actually really taste the cheese, I would suggest that you buy the cheddar cheese as well and just combine it with the mozzarella cheese. Cool. And then now we move on to our other fillings, which here we have parsley and we have some coriander and then we have some onions, and also here we have two types of mushrooms. As you can see, I'm not sure what the names are, but I'll check for you guys and I'll just share it here at the bottom, somewhere here at the bottom. So we have these type of mushrooms. I don't know if you guys know them. I'm sure you guys know them. And then these type of mushrooms. So yeah. And honestly, we bought these mushrooms like yesterday and we've been eating mushrooms since yesterday. Yesterday I made mushroom sauce, and this morning we had some fried mushrooms with for our breakfast, and then now we're making some pizza with mushrooms again, and then lastly we have sliced tomatoes. Okay, let's get started.